What's up, vlog? So I have not vlogged since, you know what, I don't know how long, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna vlog this weekend even though I'm not doing anything, I don't think, at least. So now I feel like I have to do something because I'm vlogging, but you know, whatever. I am about to go with my sisters to pick up my older sister's boyfriend's dog. So let's do that. I just have to pee first. Is this a flattering angle? I have to pee. So I'm done peeing and I'm trying to find like my little like monkey paw thing. Is that what it's called? And I can't find it. I have this because, you know, I'm not rich and I don't have a vlog camera, but I can't find my gorilla pod. That's what it's called. Update, I found my gorilla pod. Apparently I have two. So there's this one and the one I'm using, so so I'm gonna go put my hair in a braid and then we're gonna go get that dog. My vlog is seriously so low quality, it's not funny. Let's go. Hey everyone, so this is my dog. Her name's Mitchie. Don't run. Oh, frick. I just want to get you guys naked, you know? What car are we taking? Am I going in anywhere? Can I just wear my Tevas?
Yeah. You think Holly looks like me?
No. Just kidding, I don't know.
So be careful. She is the slowest driver ever.
I'm pretty good.
I went tanning.
It was on
And I got this lotion. It's hydrating for your skin.
Wait, can I see it?
And my face is pink.
Can I see it?
It's good for pale people like me, so apparently. No, I'm so short. I have to put the seat up all the way. Like it can't go in anymore. Can I put this on me? Just kidding. I'm seeing Quinn on March 15th.
Yeah,
Hit me up if you're going. Also, hit us up if you're going to the Why Don't We concert on March 9th. I got Post Malone tickets today.
For me?
If you want to come. Hallie looks dead inside.
I am.
Oh. Okay. This was in my November favorites video. We are here and we're going to get the dog. Let's go. Actually, I'm not gonna vlog in there because I don't want him to think I'm weird, even though I am, it's fine. We got the dog, where is he?
Right there.
I'm making Carly drive because I hate driving in the snow. Okay, hurry up.
Come here.
Kylo.
This is Kylo. Say hi.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The only kisses I will get from a boy. This is the fam. Hallie can't be seen in the back.
Hi.
Oh, Ryleigh! Okay, I'm gonna go take care of the dog. I will see you when we get home.
I'm home now and I have about 70 scratches from the dog on me. I'm gonna clean my room because, yeah, besides the point. So, let's clean my room. Why is my sister's bra in here? What the heck? I get asked so many times if I have moved yet. No, I have not moved yet. I actually have 2 rooms. So pretty much I have my room downstairs, which is the super cute one with the brick wall and stuff. But it is super cold down there in the winter and I don't like to sleep down there by myself. So I sleep up here in the guest room, I guess you could say. But it's pretty much like my second room, so here you go. Like I have all my clothes in here. I'm going to change because I don't want to wear this anymore. Update. I'm done cleaning my room. So I'm currently home alone. So you know what that means. Dance party. I don't want to get copyrighted for any music, so each song I play will be like 5 seconds. Crap, I forgot I have to bring Kylo's kennel in here, BRB. This is so heavy, I can't. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, Yeet. Ah. Oh, I have to bring Kylo in here. And this is my jam. Oh, hi. Ah, what the heck? Okay, you're going in your kennel. I forgot I have driver's ed tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning and it is 11:19. What? I'm trying to talk here. I don't want to go parallel park and do 3-point turns. You know, turning the wheel so much hurts my arms. I'm so weak. I will most likely, well, I will hopefully, when I get up and am getting ready for driver's ed, but you know, no promises. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. So my instructor just texted me and was like, hey, if you could be ready by 9:15, that'd be great. And I'm like, no, it's currently like 9:05, so I should probably go and like brush my teeth. That's why the water's running. I just sprayed way too much dry shampoo. My bad. I am now home and I'm going to eat a donut. So I'm done with driver's ed. Mitchie, shut up. I'm drinking juice now. But I need to get in the shower because, you know, even though I don't think I'm doing anything, you know, I might film or hang out with people even though no one likes me, so. I look like I have so many dreads. I look like Bob Marley. So, I might go to a party later today. It's a college party, but you know what? I look 18. Maybe. I'm gonna go dry my hair and then do some homework because I have so much homework to do. I'm gonna do that and not film any of it because it'd be really boring. I can't work. Hey y'all. What's up? So I dried my hair, did some homework, and now we're here. I was gonna go take some pictures, but the weather is getting really bad, so probably will not do that. But I'm just gonna get ready anyways, just in case I go hang out with one of my friends later, or if I film. I'll probably just end up filming because, you know, don't have any friends. Just kidding, I have some. Not a lot though. Let's do this quick montage of me getting ready. Okay, I'm done with my makeup and I'm so mad because my skin is so dry and my makeup is catching on to those dry spots and it looks really, really disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna change real quick. Ew, no. I'm putting my hair back in a ponytail. I don't like the shirt I'm changing. I changed my shirt and now I'm ready to go. No, you haven't. I love Carmex. It's good for kissing. This sweater makes me look like orange juice and I like it. Can we not die today? Thank you. Driving too fast.
Ryleigh. It's called I know how to drive. Can we stop?
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Okay, so.
I love you, you little snake.
Mama! I'm bored.
Right? Want me to send you to live with Lisa?
Yes.
You seriously want me to live with Lisa?
Yeah.
You do not want to go live with Lisa and Carl.
Why wouldn't I?
You wouldn't miss me?
No.
You're such a butthole.
I'm sitting in the freaking car still because my sister doesn't know what 8 minutes means.
Ryleigh,
What?
get your 8 feet off me.
My 8 feet? My mom just said I have 8 feet. Everyone, you heard it here.
No, because she
My mom hates me.
Stuff up with her toes.
Decided to show up.
Did you put this?
Okay, so I'm back home now. Did not do anything eventful at all. Let me set y'all up. I did go and get some fizz though. I really have to pee. Am I gonna go pee now? Okay, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here because, you know, whatever I may be doing tonight will probably be more boring than this whole entire vlog. So if you guys found this vlog entertaining, I don't even know how you would, and you somehow want to see more vlogs, comment down below and let me know. If you are not subscribed, you should totally hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the Lovely fam, which is the best fam. Anyways, that drunk made me thirsty. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.